Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be checking out the Gold Scalper Pro Expert Advisor for MT4 and MT5, and this EA has been around for a while and it's built specifically for trading gold XAU USD. And before we dive into today's Expert Advisor, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. It's totally free, so ensure you check it out. And for this Gold Scalper Pro Expert Advisor, it is available for both MT4 and MT5, but I'll be using the MT5 as reference for this video. The developer says it's a clean professional strategy that's been around for over 15 years. It sounds interesting, right? But let's break it down. According to the product page, as we can see, this Expert Advisor goes for $177 and it uses a simple but powerful logic. It waits for distinctive market impulse and then enters in that direction on the following correction, and the developer calls this a rock solid principle that smart money traders have used forever. It's not another code-fitted robot with 100 parameters. Instead, it runs on a strong, reliable trading logic that only needs a few settings to work. There are two trading systems built into one EA, a highly effective exit algorithm, and it uses reasonable stop loss and take profit levels, sometimes based on ATR. There's no greed, there's no martingale, and there's no dangerous averaging, according to what the developer says, and it uses reasonable stop loss and take profit. I've said this. And also it's just classical trading with proper risk management. It trades 24/5 with no time restrictions, and it works on the 1 minute or the 15-minute time frame. It's a scalper, so that's expected, and the logic is hard-coded across time frames. The seller shows massive long-term backtest with huge profits and relative low drawdowns. Plus, there is also a live signal that has been running for months. This is the backtest results from the seller, the developer, and has 76% win rate. He made about $76,000 from a $10,000 account, and this is just for this backtest on gold. There are so many other backtests also, and this is using the system one only. This one, you can also see, this is fixed lot, so there are different settings and these are backtests based on the different settings, and the win rate is actually fair for most of these backtests. So that's about it from the developer. They also have a live signal. Available, which you could check out. It's been running for several months, has about 16% growth since 2025. You can see since December 2025, and this is how it has been. Max drawdown is 26%, profitable trades 72%, so we're looking at a win rate of 72 to 73%. Gross profit is about $1,000. Profitable trades are 200 and losing trades are just 77. So this is a live signal and it's shared by the developer, so they are quite transparent. And this is the history of this. This is how the graph looks like. Yeah, it's been running for 20 weeks. So I like this from the developer because he's transparent. He shows that he can actually put his Expert Advisor to test live and see how it works out, especially based on live features like the slippage and all of that. And for the features and settings that they actually highlight a bunch of pro features. We have advanced news filter, stealth mode that hides your stops from the broker, advanced time management, email and push notifications, We have Friday exit system and drawdown protection. You can enable or disable long and short trades separately. You can set max spread and slippage. You can choose between the two systems and use auto money management for risk. And developer stresses testing on demo first. The developer stresses testing on demo first because gold lot sizes vary between brokers and they recommend low spread conditions, max 40-point spreads actually, and all of this is highlighted on this page, on MT4 page. So he's actually very transparent with his dealings, the developer Lacheza Krastev. And I had the opportunity to test this expert advisor. I ran it on XAUUSD on the 5-minute time frame from April 2025 to April 2026, 1 year, with $10,000 starting balance, every tick modeling, and based on real ticks actually. The equity curve climbs nicely. Overall, steady upward trend with some healthy dips, but nothing extreme. Yeah, it ended up with about 5,717 USD profit. That's roughly 57% gain, and we had a profit factor of 1.23. We had max equity drawdown only 6.87%, and that is commendable. We had a total number of trades about 698 and 76% win rate, 76.8. Yeah, so this is actually commendable for this expert advisor. And if you compare that to the developer's massive historical backtest which we showed, they look incredible, but my recent 1-year test is more modest yet still respectable. The live signal has also been growing slower but with bigger swings, so everything adds up. And if you look at the inputs that actually matter, the inputs that I used for my backtest, the auto money management setting, especially max spread. This EA is very sensitive to spread, so you need a raw spread broker. It shines in strong trading and highly volatile movements, but it gets chopped up in ranging markets, and you can take some painful losses that wipe out days of gains as you know it. But overall, at the end of the day, it still works out to a nice balance. You can see how it works on the chart. Yeah, honestly, this is one of the cleaner gold expert advisors I've tested. There's no crazy hidden risk like martingale, but the thing is, even good systems have bad periods. As you can see, some minor losses here, and 1 or 2 big losing trades can hurt, and profits and drawdowns will vary depending on market conditions and the lot size or risk level you choose in the inputs. So who is this expert advisor actually for? I would say it's for experienced traders who already trade gold and have a good low spread broker and can handle normal drawdowns without stressing. Beginners or people on standard spread accounts should probably skip this EA. If you want more straight talking expert reviews like this, hit the like button and turn on notifications, subscribe to this channel, drop a comment below with the next EA you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free robot from the description. It's actually worth it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.